How a big hand for Miss Berelli. Come on. There you go. To your left. To your right. Okay, we will probably ask. Okay, I'll just go down. Hi, how are you today?
I'm feeling fantastic.
Oh, that's amazing. So how is it? Kumusta naman the feeling of, EVDRs?
It's way more enjoyable
So this is your first Christmas party.
here.
I believe you won the best dress, Farida. Last year, yeah.
She won also?
Yes, the best dress.
So ngayon, dapat manalo ka rin. So anyway, what's your inspiration naman with this look right now?
Who are you wearing?
My look for tonight is inspired by Aphrodite, the goddess of beauty, love, and desire.
Oh, di-
Wow.
a big hand for Miss Berete. Okay, thank you. Yes.